Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the eFootball game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And after logging into your account, you will end up within the store page. From here, just click on the search box and then type in eFootball and start your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it. And now you can check out the game trailer and the reviews as well. Scroll down and then you will see the Add to Library button. Just click on this button and the game will be added to your library. You can then click on the Play Now button and then choose the installation directory to begin the installation. After the download and installation is completed, a shortcut will be added to your desktop and you can also launch the game by pressing the play button. And now you can start enjoying the eFootball game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the eFootball game on your PC for free. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.